Hey guys, I wanted to do a really quick review on the Scorch lighter that's available on Amazon.com. There's a variety of different models. Now this one's the, it's the three-pronged cigar lighter one. And I swear to God, look at that motherfucker. That blows a jet flame out, and I don't smoke crack. So, like, all I can say about this lighter is it kills. I mean, I could light a candle from a half a fucking mile away. So, yeah, Scorch lighter rules. And to be honest with you, it's almost, I wish I could turn it down. But if you're a cigar smoker, oh my God, this thing kicks ass. Look at this. It's got a cutter built into it, which if you got really pissed off, like, you could fucking take that thing in your hand and like punch some motherfucker right in the middle of the forehead and take about a quarter-inch divot out of his well, I'm sorry, that would be the end. But you don't want to fucking kill somebody anyways, but that's a lighter. I mean, can you believe that motherfucker breathes so good? I mean, it really does. It just, look at that. That's burned my phone. Well, every time I fill it, it lights immediately. Not like the cheap ones, like the really good lighters. And I like this. I like the durability. Watch. So it just fell about 4 feet onto the tile, and that thing hasn't got more than a few scratches, and I am so rough on my items. My God, Scorch lighters, so rule. And here's my review.